Creating a thread into steel doesn't have to be hard or slow, because Kango has the tool for you, the Kango Nut Rivet Drill Adapter. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of this adapter, along with a few tips and tricks. To start with, it's designed for use with a drill driver. It will pull up to an M8 rivet in aluminium through to stainless steel, with 4 different size nose pieces. Not only does this handy tool do the hard work for you, it's up to 4 times faster than a traditional hand tool. The most common question we get about this tool is, can we use it with an impact driver? The short answer is no, for 2 important reasons. Firstly, it needs to be used at low speed, around 240 RPM. And secondly, you'll need to set specific torque settings on your drill depending on the material of the rivet that you're pulling. Applying too much torque to the nut rivet can cause damage to the mandrel stem. Another common question is how to start the tool. To use the Kango Nut Rivet Drill Adapter, you'll need to start off by working out the correct size nose piece and mandrel for your nut rivet diameter, and then fitting that to the nut rivet adapter using the adjustment tool. Carefully unscrew the front bushing to access the mandrel. The bushing houses a spring. Place aside the spring and unscrew the mandrel from the adapter. Screw in the desired mandrel size, matching the nut rivet, and reattach the front bushing and nose piece. The nut rivet adapter has a nose piece and mandrel fitted, which you may need to remove before installing the correct nose piece. Once the nose piece and mandrel are refitted, align and insert the shank of the adapter into the drill chuck and tighten. Put the drill in reverse and squeeze the trigger until you hear a clicking sound, and then you're ready to load a rivet. Insert the desired nut rivet into the mandrel and align the rivet into the pre-drilled material. Make sure you drill the correct size hole to fit the nut into, as a hole too large won't engage the nut. Then, gripping the housing of the adapter, put the drill into forward and squeeze the trigger to pull the nut rivet. The nut rivet will not pop from the mandrel when finished, so pay close attention to the nose area. Work slowly to avoid mistakes. To release the adapter from the completed nut rivet, put the drill in reverse and squeeze the trigger just enough to back off the tension on the nut. Then unscrew the adapter by hand in an anti-clockwise direction to remove it from the completed nut. And that's how you use the Kango Nut Rivet Drill Adapter. If you want to learn more about the innovative tools and accessories in the Kango range, visit the Kango website.